Well, good evening, everyone. I'm Gray Shot down on the sticks alongside Doggone Sci-Fi behind the wheel. We're going to take you on another full self-driving video from an aerial perspective, but this time from a special nighttime perspective.
All right, slow.
There's nobody coming in, Becca. Why don't you re-engage? Can you re-engage for us so we could see a roundabout? There's nobody coming.
It won't let me.
Why don't you just? Can you circle through maybe?
Yeah, there it goes. Okay, here we go.
Okay.
We have another roundabout coming up.
All right. I'm gonna try to get a roundabout out of Doggone Sci-Fi tonight. I promise.
I've done 3 roundabouts. I did both of them, and okay, we'll go back to the video and watch.
I think you all viewers will hope that wish Doggone Sci-Fi didn't disengage through all the roundabouts on this evening's drive. I'm sure, but all right, here we go. No one coming from the left. No one coming from the right. Let's see if Doggone Sci-Fi's comfortable. She's comfortable. We didn't disengage! Woohoo! It made it!
It's because it did it better.
Hot damn! It does them the same way on the other ones, though, kind of.
Kind of being the key word there.
It pretty much does them the same way.
Kind of being the key word.
I think it's your comfort level. I think you just gotta let it try it more.
I will let you eat crow when you watch.
Oh, I'm sure you let it drive through one or two of them, but it felt like you disengaged through more than you let it drive through.
No, we're gonna go left to go right.
Now I'll give you this, because this intersection sucks.
Yeah.
For whatever reason, it does not want to make a left-hand turn here.
No, it was going all the way.
It hasn't wanted to do it in my car. It hasn't wanted to do it in your car, and at least it's not a nighttime problem. So we've proven that. If it sounds like we're bitching on the YouTube video tonight, it's because we're a little frustrated that we haven't gotten much of an update for a while. And it's been having the same stupid behavior for the last couple of weeks. But we hope we are giving you at least a fun aerial perspective. So that's my hope, at least. And at least maybe some entertainment on YouTube. Different from other content.
For now, let's settle this.
Speaking of which, if you guys are liking the content, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We all know how that helps the crazy YouTube algorithm.
Yes, and we appreciate it.
And we do appreciate.
Okay, I would let it do that one, and then I let it do the...
No, you disengaged into that.
No, on the first...
On the first go, yeah. Okay. All right.
On the second one, I let it go. Then it went through the roundabout by the Mormon church twice. Thank you.
I stand corrected.
Hey.
Car's still there.
Yeah, I think he's leaving.